Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you to remove widgets from your Android home screen. Widgets are useful for displaying information like the weather, calendar events, music controls, or news updates. But if your home screen feels cluttered, removing a widget can help keep it clean and organized. First, go to the home screen page where the widget is located. Find the widget that you want to remove. Once you've found it, touch and hold the widget for about 1 second until a menu appears or the widget becomes movable. Next, tap Remove, which is usually represented by a trash can or minus icon. On some Android phones, you may not see a pop-up menu. Instead, continue holding the widget and drag it toward the Remove or Delete option that appears at the top of the screen. Release the widget when it reaches the Remove area. Don't worry, removing a widget does not uninstall the app. It simply removes the widget from your home screen. You can always add it back later by touching and holding an empty area on the home screen, selecting Widgets, and choosing the widget again. That's all there is to it. Your home screen is now cleaner and more organized, with more space for your favorite apps and shortcuts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy Android tip. Thanks for watching.